you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go back to doing something that we've been doing for a very long time, but I took a break for a while. We're going back to the Glamego subscription boxes. Look at the back side of this box. I don't want to show you the front side because of course I have my address on it, but I'm collaborating with Glamego again, and for the month of September, let's see what they have for us. So I already pre-opened the box and I saw what's in it, and trust me, I like it. I like this. So let's quickly talk about it, alright? This is what the box looks like this time. It's got a beautiful print. I really like this box, and I already have my best friend, who by the way is shooting this video for me. Mother, say hi.
Hi.
There she is. So Mother is actually going to keep this box and a whole bunch of the contents of this box. But I did want to show you what it looks like before I give it off to her. This is what it looks like. It's a nice sturdy magnetic box that's very good for storage. And when you open it up, this is what you have on the inside. So first you have a card which says try and buy directly from brands to you. You can select up to 3,700 worth of products for $3.99 only. So this is what the Glamego subscription box is all about. For $3.99 you get this box per month, every month, and you'll get sample sizes, full sizes, a mixed bag of 4 to 5 products. This month they have sent me 4. So let's quickly talk about what we've got and how I like it. Alright. So the first thing over here that I can pick out is the Votre water. I don't know how to pronounce it, so let's call it Votre Microderma Abrasion Spa Exfoliant. It is a creamy scrub for your face, and it's nice and gritty with small beads that you can use to get like a nice deep cleansing experience on your face. I haven't tried it out yet, but from what I have tried on the back of my hand, it's super luxurious feeling. I really like it, and it smells like a spa. You know that fresh, watery, cucumbery spa fragrance? It really smells like that, and I really like it. The cream portion gets absorbed into the skin, and the microderma abrasion beads are nice and finely milled, so they're not super abrasive, but they feel great. I'm very excited to try this out. This is something that I will be keeping. But then we also have the Pretty Woman Makeup Remover Balm. Now I think this is supposed to be something like the Clinique balm, where you take a little bit of makeup and you apply the balm on your face. Yeah, it's exactly like that. It's like a Vaseline consistency, and you apply it and you can dissolve your makeup that way. It's always nice to have this, and I really like that this is in a small travelable sample size, that I'm able to use it comfortably, and it feels great. It has a wonderful citrus smell. By the way guys, I'm really sorry if you can hear this. I'm shooting this on Monday, and they have Ganpati celebrations going on over here, so unfortunately I can't edit that out completely. I will try as much as possible. But yeah, this smells great, and it has that beautiful creamy consistency that you need to have all of your makeup off of your face really quickly. Okay, then we also have the Votre or water, I don't know how to say this, face serum. It says the Aqua Rich Revitalizing Serum, enriched with virgin cold pressed oils, herbal blends and innovative molecules which help to brighten the complexion and reduce fine lines. It comes in a very cute packaging which has a dropper on it, and you guys know how much I like a decent dropper packaging. It's a thick serum, and I feel like a little will go a long way. I'm very curious to try this out, but this is probably something that will go to Mother, because she needs new skincare in her life. She just has a face wash, it's not enough. So this actually has a beautiful herbal scent, very spicy, and feels very moisturizing on my hands, so I have great hopes for this. But what really takes the cake, what really got me super into this box this time, was the Starstruck by Sunny Leone lipstick. It's the lipstick that I'm wearing right now, and this does not go to Mother because I want. It's so gorgeous. It is a creamy red lipstick, so gorgeous, and this is what it looks like. Just look at that. Isn't that intensely gorgeous? Look at that. So these are the 4 items that we have in our Glamego box this time. I really enjoyed this box, and I like that I'm here in Bangalore with her, so I can share some of these things with her. Of course, you have this, which I'm going to throw away because I'm allergic to it. But as the box is, Glamego really is India's #1 subscription box, because I have never gotten a box that I haven't enjoyed. And this lipstick really does it for me. I'm glad to be able to share it with her this time, which I'm not always able to do. But yeah, I really like this entire subscription service. Let me know in the comment section, you guys, if you find this month's box is as amazing as I think it is. And yeah, this is all for today. It was a very quick, sweet little video. I don't have anything negative to say over here. It's all been a really great experience. And if you like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Go follow Glamego on all of their social media handles. They will be listed in the description box. Go follow me on all of my social media handles. They will be listed in the description box. And you know what? Thank you so much. A big hug from my house to yours. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.